Hi everyone, my name is Rachel McDonald and today I want to explain more about weather. Forecast. What is the temperature going to be tomorrow? Do I need a jacket? Do I need an umbrella? Forecast. Forecast is how we think something will be later. You see in forecast it says for, the same as before, and the same as forehead. It's something that happens first. So first we say, tomorrow it will rain, and later it actually rains. Example, I work for Environment Canada. I look at my computer models. I see heavy clouds coming. Today I say, tomorrow it will be sunny, and then tomorrow it is sunny. So that's the forecast. A forecast is very important for us in Canada. We want to be able to plan our activities and what we are going to do. And so we need to look at the forecast. Here are some more words. Condition, condition. A condition is how something is. Is the car, you want to buy a car, is the car in good condition or in poor condition? Is it very beautiful and new, or is it old and broken? If it's old and broken, it's in poor condition. If it's new and beautiful, it's in good condition. Another example is a health condition. So if someone is sick, they don't have a good health condition. Or if someone is healthy, they have a really good health condition. So in our case, we want to know about the weather condition. Weather condition. How is the weather? Current is an adjective that means now. So my current job is a teacher. I currently live in Saskatchewan. I currently live in the city of Regina. We are currently experiencing a pandemic, and it is currently cloudy outside. So, and this is, by the way, June 8th, 2020. So it is currently June 8th. The current date is June 8th. So now I think you understand current. So current conditions is what we want to look for in the forecast on the website or on the news. So current conditions, how the weather is now. One of the things that they talk about in Saskatchewan in particular is the wind, because in Saskatchewan we can have a very strong wind, and we really have to be careful. The other day, the wind went up to 100 kilometers an hour, and that wind is dangerous. The tree branches can fall off and hit people. Small children can blow away in the wind. So we have to be quite careful, you know, especially if you're beside the water and things like that. So here we have an example wind. It says W 22 kilometers. You understand 22 kilometers. This is the speed of the wind. 22 kilometers an hour. The W means west, so that's the direction. And when they do it like this, it's the direction where it's coming from. So the wind is coming from the west. It's not going to the west. So this is a west wind. It comes out of the west at 22 kilometers an hour. This is not a very strong wind. Just to review the directions with you, we have north, east, south, and west. Here they are, the short form NESW and the long form north, east, south, west. So here's, this is called a compass rose. It tells you the direction. So usually on a map, you'll see this: north, east, south, and west. In between, they have other ones. So you'll see that in the forecast website when we look at it. North, northeast, east, southeast, south, southwest, west, northwest. So they always put the north or south first. North, northeast, east, southeast, south, southwest, west, and northwest. And so there it is again, north, east, south, and west. Precipitation, what is this? Please try and say this word, precipitation. Precipitation, the sip is louder, precipitation. This is water that falls from the sky. In Canada, we have 5 basic forms of precipitation. You know already rain, you know snow, you know hail. Hail is the small balls of ice. And there's also sleet and freezing rain. So sleet is snow and rain together. You can see the sleet here. This is wet snow. It's heavy, wet snow. It's got a lot of rain in it. And when it falls, it can look like this. Freezing rain looks like rain when it's falling, but when it when it lands, it freezes. So whenever that rain is coming, it's water, it's not snow. But when it stops, it becomes ice. So there it is. Freezing rain can freeze up your car. It's very dangerous to walk on. It's difficult to walk on because it's so slippery. You can fall very easily with freezing rain. And here's another example of freezing rain covering this tree. So in 1998, there was a big ice storm in Quebec and other parts of Canada. And it was because of freezing rain for 80 hours. So it was a big problem. Okay, so I'm gonna stop there and then I will go to help you find this website about the forecast. I'll just stop right there and I hope that you can understand everything. So just ask me any questions if you want down below in the questions and I will answer you. Or my students write to me or phone me. Okay, have a good day. See you soon in the next video. Okay, bye.